Hello and welcome to the Residual Royalty Academy. This is the place where I show you how to go from nothing, that's zero, to at least $1,000 per month in passive income using KDP, low and no content books. So in today's short little video, I'm going to show you the best new Chrome extension for checking BSRs. So the problem used to be that to check the BSR for each type of format, you have to come onto the listing and check it individually. So for example, paperback $9.99, you have to come here and see, okay, 1,200. If you want to check the audiobook rank, you have to come on this one, scroll all the way down, okay, 1,200. You want to check the Kindle one, you have to come on this one, and you can see this is just quite a long, drawn-out process, and it would be easier if there was a faster way to do it. There you go, 13,000 on the Kindle edition, you can see there. So this new Chrome extension that I've been recommended, BSR Master, it's really new, it's only got 516 users so far, it's absolutely free at the moment. Maybe in the future, the owner, who I don't know or don't have any affiliation with, will make it paid, but at the moment it is free, which is really nice. And what it does is simply this. So you can see this is the exact same book that I've just showed you. This is DS Amazon Quick View, the one that I've been using for a while. Obviously this is showing 1,219, which is only showing the paperback because that's the one that is at the top here, so that's why it's only showing that one. But this new Chrome extension, this is BSR Master, so it shows you the Kindle BSR, and it's all in green because all the ranks are really good. It's determined. So Kindle is green, paperback is green, and audio is green, so you can see the ranks there. Obviously you can't see the hardcover ones, and you can't see like the CD versions, but that's really not important because on KDP we can't make CDs or hardcovers without using something like Ingram Spark or some other things that I'm yet to indulge in. So you can see if we scroll down again, you can see this one. It's got hardcover, it's got Kindle, it's got audiobook. So obviously it's not showing the hardcover one, which means the paperback one is a little bit broken, but you can still see the audio BSR and the Kindle BSR without having to click through. And you can see it's the same story in all of these. This is a really nice niche. Obviously I think there's quite a lot of books in there, quite a lot of competition. This is like a high content niche. This person is doing really well. You see 100 pages, create space, that's KDP. 2,000 in Audible, that's really, really good. My book is usually somewhere between 30 to 50,000, and that's still selling every day, making, $4-5 a day. So this one is making a really nice amount of money. The paperback is even priced pretty highly. So yeah, this book is doing really well. But let's now go into a different niche. This is kind of a puzzle niche in the low content world. So you can see it's not available as a Kindle because it's something that you write in. It's not available as an audio, as it wouldn't make sense. So you can see it still shows the paperback, which is just what you need. Obviously, it's not showing you much else compared to what you couldn't already know from DS Amazon Quick View. And if you do want to know what this one is, this is the Helium 10 one, which shows you the ranks in the individual categories. And it also shows you the graph on the product listing. So if my Amazon looks pretty different to yours, it's because I've just got all these different extensions installed. I'd recommend getting all of them. You get a lot of data, which is really nice if you are a data-driven kind of person. So you can see, yeah, this is just like a low-content puzzle niche. Nanograms, sorry, so maybe you should look into that. It's a pretty nice niche overall. And then as another example, I just searched Facebook ads book. You can see the paperback, Kindle. This paperback one is in green because that's 86,000. The audio, it's determined, isn't doing so well at 45, and Kindle 300 isn't very good yet. So that's why that one's in red. This one you can see doesn't have an audiobook, so it's not there. It's all pretty obvious really, and you probably get the idea now. So I'd just really recommend downloading this. And I think we've just got one last example just to show you. This is a low or no content niche. You can see it's only pretty much going to be paperback books, so that's why it's only showing paperback. But yeah, it does the job it's asked for. I think the only thing that it might not do is that sponsored products, it doesn't always pick up the ranks. But that's okay because you still got a lot of data to work with, and you can just scroll past the first couple of sponsored items. So I hope that's been a really useful video. As I say, this is the extension. It's called BSR Master. You can find it on the Chrome Web Store, and it is free. And yeah, if you ever want to add a Chrome extension onto incognito, all you have to do is go back onto normal Google Chrome and go on the settings for the extension, and you just press allow in incognito, and then you'll be able to get it in incognito as well if that's how you prefer to search. So I hope that's been a useful video. Make sure to subscribe, check out the Royalty Accelerator course, check out the free course if you're interested in leveling up on KDP. There's over 3,000 students now in the Residual Royalty Academy, so I'm grateful to every single one of you. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
They wanna count me out before I'm even up. They wanna bring me down, but